Paano ang pagkuha o pag-identify ng sum and product of roots of quadratic equations? Take note ang standard form ng quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So itong ating given example na equation, 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Una ating lang identify yung value of a, b, and c dito sa ating given equation. Yung in natin ay yung 2, yung b natin yung negative 5, yung c natin ay yung positive 3. Then atin ang substitute sa ating formula sa sum of roots, that is a equals negative b over a. Yung ating value of b dito ay negative 5. Negative cross parenthesis negative 5 over yung in natin yung 2. Then simplify natin, i-multiply natin negative times negative 5, that is positive 5 over 2. Yan po ang kanyang sum of roots. Then yung product of roots naman, P equals, ang formula niya ay P equals C over A. So ang ating C dito ay yung positive 3. Then yung E natin itong 2. So ito po ang kanyang product of roots. That is 3/2.